Hello, this is a 2004 Ford Explorer V6 4.0. Just shooting this video really quick so you can kind of see what a bad motor mount looks like in general. What I'm doing right now is just putting the car on drive, hitting the brake, and then giving it a little bit of gas so you can see the motor flexing. I'm also going from drive to park to reverse, back to drive, back to park, and you can see that the left side motor mount, it's pretty bad. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to shoot a quick video on this. Good wrenching. Let me know if you have any questions.